Calm down, let your heart beat slow. Step outside, let the wild winds blow. Drop the noise, drop the endless feet. There's a forest waiting for what you need. Bare feet in the morning dew. Sunrise painting every shade of truth. Breathing green, let the concrete fade. You were never meant to live this way. You're not a number, not a screen of light. You're made of ocean, storms and sky. Nature can heal you, body and soul. From the roots of your being to the edges unknown. Reconnect, feel the power flow. Feel the freedom, the joy, the glow. It's possible, it's simple and wild. The natural way you were born as a child. Leave the plastic dream behind, let it fall. Nature is alive for real, that's all. Turn down the glamour, the neon lights, the poison glitter in your eyes. All those billboards telling you who to be. Just step away, come back to being free. Hear the river washing fear away. Mountains hold the secrets of a brighter day. Every bird song whispering your name. You and the earth are one and the same. You're not the hunger that they sell as need. You're the forest, you're the sea. Nature can heal you, body and soul. From the roots of your being to the edges unknown. Reconnect, feel the power flow. Feel the freedom, the joy, the glow. It's possible, it's simple and wild. The natural way you were born as a child. Leave the plastic dream behind, let it fall. Nature is alive for real, that's all. Free your mind from the system lies. You don't need their golden cage to rise. No plastic crown, no poison thrown. Out beneath the open sky, your home. Free your body from the toxic game. You're not their product, not their claim. Free your soul, let the truth run deep. In the arms of the earth, find the peace you seek. Calm down, feel the wind on your face. Calm down, this is your sacred place. Calm down, hear your own heart call. This is the natural, normal way of life. Nature can heal you, body and soul. From the roots of your being to the edges unknown. Reconnect, feel the power flow. Feel the wonder, the wild, the glow. It's possible, it's natural, real. Every breath in the green you feel. Leave the poison wall behind its wall. Nature is alive for real, that's all. Calm down, let the old world fade. Step into the life that the earth has made. Free spirit, real happiness revealed. Nature is alive, and life is the healing.